Hi. Now, I dug up those things when I was just stood there and stuck the shovel in and cut it, right? Then I laid on, kind of leaned sideways on the ground, and I shook the grass out. And then by that time, my back felt better, right? A better here. Okay, and so now, let's see what it looks like here. Can you see the view? Yeah, I guess you can. Here. That's more to the point. Okay, so now I'll bring over some of these strawberry plants. Now I'll just have to stoop over a little bit, but I gave my back a break. So there we go. One. Okay. Now we've got another one here. Now these are going to be a little close together, but I know I just can't have everything. Appreciate you coming along, give me the incentive to do this. Let me take this out. Okay. And now I'll do the next one. This is so good, I'm getting these planted. I think this is a root from that tree over there. It shouldn't be there. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see if we can get the next one in here. Oh my gosh, they've already rooted in the ground over here. Oh, they've transplanted themselves already. Okay, put one over here. That one, you know how strawberries have these runners? Well, they ran over the edge of the pot and they are growing in the ground over here now. That's pretty cool. This one is a little dry. I know these are way too close together, but it's either this or nothing. And getting them in the ground is the most important thing at the moment. You can always move them next year. Okay, so those are planted. Now I know that my wire goes through here, so I can dig on the other side of it over here. Okay, so thank you so much for coming and helping me. This is really good because now I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the edge of, where are we now? I'm going to work on that area right over there. Okay, so now my back hurts a little bit from bending over again. But look at that. I got rid of 5. 5 of them. I only have to do that 3 times and I'm done. Okay. So because my back hurts, it's a good time to stand up and do this. I know I'm right into the base of this tree, or this rose, but some things just can't be helped. Okay, so now once again, I don't bend over to do this. I get right down on the ground here so that I'm resting my back. Okay, and then I can remove stuff. You don't want grass. Okay. Okay, so once again I'm ready to plant them in the soil. It's good to use straw in your soil. I have to turn you off, I think. Let's check. Oh no, you have 4 more in this. Okay, you probably get bored watching these videos that are all the same. But it helps me to get my work done. I feel like I'm accomplishing something. Now I could lay down on the ground to do this, but I'm just gonna do this way. Now I know these are way too close together, but strawberries are gonna do that anyway. It's a very chaotic way to do it. If you do it with strawberries, this is not a deep enough hole either. Strawberries really should be planted in nice neat rows. Then you go around. The next year you take the new strawberries and line them up into a new row. Okay, hat is leaving. What's this under here? That's a tulip. Shouldn't have taken him out. Okay. Put down tulips under the strawberries. Okay. There we go, and spot one more spot here. And I probably have to turn you off now.